Hi guys, today I'm telling three bad Battle Cats true forms. But before we start, what is bad Battle Cat's true form? The, the bad true forms are usually that a unit needs something to be stronger, but it's but true form doesn't give that, then this will be a bad true form. Or a bad true form can be a true form that costs too much and doesn't change that much thing. The first bad true form is Monaco's true form. The reason why Monaco's true form is bad is it requires one gold cat fruit seed, and getting gold cat fruit is not that easy, and it only gives Monaco wave attack and gives some improvements. But if you need a wave critical, you can just use Crazed Monaco and you can get Crazed Monaco earlier. And Crazed Monaco has 100% chance to critic, but Monaco doesn't have 100%. Next bad true form is Catgut the Great's true form. The reason why Catgut the Great's true form is bad is because it wants one gold cat fruit, and getting gold cat fruit is not easy, and it doesn't change that much thing to Catgut. The only thing Catgut the Great's true form is it can unlock talents to Catgut. The third bad true form is Ururun Wolf's true form. Ururun Wolf is not that bad for a unit, and her true form is very strong, but this true form is bad because it gets outclassed by Ursa and Fenrir. Thank you for watching the video.